Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for Street Fighter error code 2100-2011 S9052-TCL-UQDJ. The error reads, "A communication error has occurred." Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to play the game but are blocked by a communication issue. This prevents the game from connecting properly and interrupts the session. According to our research, this error is likely caused by network instability or outdated game files. It can also result from regional network restrictions or ISP-level issues. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to power cycle your device along with your router. Simply turn off both the device and the router, then unplug them from the power source, then wait a few minutes and then plug them back in. Then restart both and check if this resolves the error. If the error still comes, then check if you need to update the game. Simply open your game launcher or console menu and go to the game and see if an update is available. If yes, install the update and check for the error again. If the error persists, then try connecting your device over a different Wi-Fi network or use a mobile hotspot. This will help determine if the issue is with your primary internet connection. Once connected, launch the game and check if this helps with the error. At last, if nothing helps, then try using a VPN. Simply connect to a different region using the VPN, then start the game and check if this resolves the error. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.